Hi guys, welcome back to another video with me. This is Dr. Jocelyn. Thank you so much for tuning in. For those of you that have seen my some of my previous videos, you know that I love gardening and planting things. So today I decided to plant a potato, a little red potato. And actually I decided a week ago, this is 1 week of growth right here. Disregard the pink sign in the back. I just put it there, but I need to take that white rose off because it's a potato. This is week 2. You can see it's almost twice the size. So I am super excited about this. Yeah, I've never grown potatoes before, and I've never grown potatoes from an actual potato. So I'm really excited about this. I do need to change the pot because I'm hoping that I get multiple potatoes, and I know that it needs to have more space in order to grow multiple potatoes. So yeah, so this is week 2. 3 of growing my little red baby potato, and you can see the progress here. This plant is probably about twice the size it was just last week. You can also see that I did change the pot out. The pot is probably 3 times the size of the original pot, but I wanted to make sure it had space. I put a sufficient amount of soil in the pot. I probably need to add more soil, but I'm going to get a larger pot to put it in, and so of course I will add more soil at that point. But you can see how green and beautiful and healthy all of the leaves are on this plant. I do need to do some research because, as I said, this is my first time growing a potato plant, and I want to make sure that I am successful with the growth, so I need to do some research. Okay, so it's a red potato, and this is how big it's gotten. I changed the pot, but yeah, I'm definitely going to have to get something. There's a helicopter flying over. So yeah, again, it's just a red potato that I had left over out of my pantry, and it's one of those baby red potatoes. I planted the potato about 4 weeks ago, and about 2 weeks ago I changed the pot to a larger pot, but looks like I'm gonna have to change it again because this is how big it's gotten. It actually was growing through the fence, but I wanted to keep it on this side, so I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with that. And then these are the red grapefruit seeds. Like I said, I just planted them like 2 or 3 days ago, so there's nothing yet, but we'll keep an eye on that. But anyway, I just wanted to show you the 4-week growth of my red potato. So I added a plant stick just so that it could stand up a little bit better, so it looks nice. Okay, I just wanted to show you week 5. It's still growing. It's really tall. I do need to get some larger pots so that I can make sure it grows as healthy and as fruitful as it can. Yeah, but this is week 5. Okay, so in addition to my grapefruit plant and my potato plant, I'm considering buying some 5-gallon buckets and buying some more seeds and potting or planting some tomatoes, spinach, carrots, bush beans, cucumbers. Some of the other things in these pictures I don't necessarily eat, so like the peppers, I don't like spicy food, so I wouldn't plant those. But anyway, these are some really good plants that will do really well in 5-gallon buckets. So I'm going to try this next, and it is April, so it's the best time of the year to give it a try.